Hey everybody, welcome back to another Sensei University video. My name is Chase, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the round robin lead distribution. Now, for those of you who don't know, Sensei makes it easy to assign leads, right? We can do it based off of batch size and the source in which the lead comes from. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you guys at home can set this up. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at the top right hand corner and we're going to go to settings. Next, we're going to look under the global system settings here, and we're going to look for lead distribution. We'll click that, and this is our round robin lead distribution. Most of you, once you get to this page, it'll look like this. You'll need to enable that lead distribution and then activate these based off of the users. Guys, this is why I say it's so important to make sure that every user has their own individual login. For one of these purposes is to distribute leads, right? So the batch size is just saying, okay, how many leads is that person going to get before it goes to the next person, right? This one is going to be 25 leads. And if I look at the source and I drop this down, I can actually select what source this person is going to be taking leads from. So if you have a person that only handles your Facebook leads, what you can do is you can unselect all these different sources and make sure that the one that you do leave selected is Facebook, right? So that will mean that every 25 leads from Facebook that come in, the first 25, are going to go to Chase Willis. So if I set that any other way, then I can add this other person here and activate them and say the next 25 leads are going to go to this person. Well, where are they coming from? And then I can choose the source. If you want to, you can even add and identify sources here directly from the lead distribution page. So guys, that's it. That's how quick and easy you can set up lead distribution. Batch size, source, that's it. Very simple and easy, guys. We appreciate so much of your support. Thank you guys for believing in Sensei. We're trying to make something happen with this company as far as, providing the ease of use to the system. We're trying to cut down the time it takes, make your life a little bit simpler. So until we speak again or until you see me then, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.